It's a perfect season to enjoy a little treat here and there in the family gatherings. If I ever get stuck planning food for the gatherings, this snack never fails to please. The best part, this requires few simple ingredients and it's sure to be loved by all. Get ready for some bite-sized treats that will surely impress your guests. I'm sharing with you mini grilled cheese sandwiches. These bite-sized treats are sure to impress your guests. So let's get started on making these delightful little sandwiches. First, we prepare the bread for our sandwiches. We are using a French baguette, as the texture of these baguettes make it ideal for the grilled cheese. It has a firm crust that gives a lovely crunch after the grilling. Cut the baguette into slices about half an inch. Use sharp serrated knife while doing so because the other knife might squish the bread. So serrated knife is your best bet. After that, let's prepare our broccoli. We are using a pre-steamed broccoli in this recipe which adds lovely color and is also a nutritious boost to our sandwiches if that is any consolation. Broccoli is rich in vitamins and adds a nice texture, making our mini sandwiches more satisfying too. So if you do not have steamed broccoli ready, you can steam it ahead of time or even use frozen broccoli for the convenience. All works fine. Now on to cheese, I am using a cheddar cheese slice as they are easy to work with and have a rich flavor and excellent melting properties. Since we are making mini grilled cheese, we'll cut the cheddar slices into 4 squares of this size. The size is ideal for our mini sandwiches, ensuring they perfectly fit between the baguette slices. Now our cheese and bread is ready. It's time for buttering the baguette slices. Spread about as much quantity of butter as you prefer on the one side of each slice. This step is crucial because it helps to create that golden brown crispy texture that we all love in a grilled cheese. The butter also adds a rich layer of flavor that enhances the overall taste of the sandwich. Now turn over the bread slices and assemble the mini grilled sandwiches. Because while grilling them, we want the buttery side to be outside. Now start by placing squares of the cheese on the unbuttered side of baguette slice and then add in a spoonful of pre-prepared shredded broccoli. Next we'll layer in some sun-dried tomatoes for a tangy cake. These add a depth of flavor that perfectly complements the cheese. If you want to know how to make these sun-dried tomatoes, you can refer to my previous video. Now let's season our filling. Add a dash of salt, red chili flakes for some heat, followed by a few fresh basil leaves. Basil adds an aromatic touch that really elevates the taste of our sandwiches. Top your filling with another mini cheese squares and then finish with another baguette slice with the butter side up. Now it's time to cook our sandwiches. Place the assembled sandwich on a preheated pan over the medium heat to ensure that cheese melts perfectly and the sandwich gets nicely toasted. You can place a heavy weight on the top of it. Now toast it on one side until it turns golden brown and crispy, and after about a minute carefully flip the sandwich. This step requires a lot of finesse to ensure that all fillings stay inside. Once flipped, toast the other side for another minute. Once the cheese is melted and the bread is golden brown, your mini grilled cheese sandwiches are ready to serve. Just look at those little beauties, crispy on outside and oozing with cheesy goodness on the inside. These bite-sized snacks are perfect for the parties, game days, or just a fun treat at home. You can serve them as is, or you can pair them with any of my good skin salad for a perfect balanced meal. These are so good. These little grilled cheese sandwiches are a big hit on flavor and cuteness and perfect for your next party. And these are super easy to make and sure to get your guests chatting. So hit that like and subscribe button and get the party going.